Today we're covering Amazon Athena, a serverless query service that lets you analyze data in S3 using standard SQL. Here's what we're going to cover: what Amazon Athena is and how it works, how it integrates with Glue Data Catalog, supported file formats and performance optimization, common use cases, and pricing. So Amazon Athena is a serverless interactive query service that lets you analyze data stored in S3 using standard SQL. Think of it like this: if you have tons of data sitting in S3 like logs, reports, or whatever, instead of downloading it all or downloading it onto a database, you just write a SQL query and Athena runs it directly against your S3 data. So no servers to manage, no infrastructure to provision, you just pay for the queries you run. Here's the workflow. Step 1, your data lives in S3. It could be a CSV file, JSON, Parquet, or whatever. Then you define a table schema in the Glue Data Catalog. This tells Athena what your data looks like, column names, data types, and where it's located. Step 3, then you write a standard SQL query in the Athena console. Next, Athena reads the data from S3, runs your query, and returns the results in seconds. So the data never moves, Athena queries it to place it in S3. No ETL required, just to run a quick query. Athena uses the AWS Glue catalog as its metadata store. If you remember glue crawlers from the last video, the crawler scans your S3 data, figures out the schema, creates a table in the data catalog. Athena then uses that table definition to know how to query your data. You can also manually define tables if you know your schema, but crawlers make it automatic. Athena supports CSV, JSON, Parquet, ORC, Avro, and TSV. So a real-world scenario could be used for like a cost analysis. You'd be able to query your AWS costs and usage reports in S3 to analyze spending patterns without setting up a separate database. And for integration, Athena works with AWS Glue Data Catalog, Amazon QuickSight for visualization, JDBC connections for BI tools, S3 for data storage, and CloudWatch for query metrics. And for pricing, it's super simple. It's just $5 per terabyte of data scanned. And that's it. So that's Amazon Athena, a serverless SQL queries on your S3 data without managing any infrastructure. If this helped you, let me know, and I'll see you in the next one.